Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at a traditional Indonesian song, Ampar Ampar Pisang, and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. Here is a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. This tremolo is in the key of C, but don't worry if your tremolo is not in the key of C, it's the whole numbers that are important. If your tremolo is not numbered, then the first hole that produces the lowest note is hole number 1. The second hole is hole number 2, and so on, right up to the last hole, which is hole number 24. You will also notice that each number actually has 2 corresponding holes, but for this lesson, just pretend that there is only one hole and treat them as such. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into your tremolo harmonica. And when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your tremolo harmonica. Got it? Here's what Ampar Ampar Pisang looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. For phrase 1, blow into 7, blow into 9 twice, breathe in through 8, blow into 9, breathe in through 10, and blow into 7 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 10 twice, blow into 9, breathe in through 10, and blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, breathe in through 12 twice, breathe in through 10 twice, blow into 11, blow into 9 twice, breathe in through 10 twice, blow into 9, breathe in through 8, and blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 4 is exactly the same as phrase 3. So let's move on to phrase 5. Blow into 7 3 times. Blow into 9 twice. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 9, breathe in through 10, and blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 6 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's move on to phrase 7. Breathe in through 12 twice, Breathe in through 10 twice. Blow into 11. Blow into 9 twice. Breathe in through 10 twice. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 8. Blow into a 9. And blow into 11 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 8, breathe in through 12 twice. Breathe in through 10 twice. Blow into 11. Blow in through 9 twice. Breathe in through 10 twice. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 8. Blow into a 9. And blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 9, blow into 13 twice. Breathe in through 12. Blow into 11. Blow into 13. And breathe in through 10 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 10, breathe in through 12 twice. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. And blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 11 is exactly the same as phrase 9. So let's move on to phrase 12. Breathe in through 12 twice. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 10. And blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it.
Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget, I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.